school today.
Good job. Alright, let's go. Princess Holly. Indy! Ah, good job, Princess! Good job! I called her name and she looked at me. That's very good job, Indy. Well done, Baba. Oh, see? Good job. That's your name, okay? Your name is Indy. Indy. Hello.
Indy, where are you?
There she is. There she is. Beautiful. Kabuyag.
Indy.
Bungit-ngit nga buyag na bibi. Bibi bungit-ngit is Indy bungit-ngit. Bibi bungit-ngit is India. Hey, are you India bungit-ngit, baby? What hairstyle do you want today, baby?
So right here, and then like this.
Okay. There's two here. Braided.
Here, right these.
Okay.
Like that one.
Alright. Ito yung ginagawa niya to kagabi after maligo. She was doing her hair. Sabi niya, Mommy, I want my hair like this tomorrow. So you wanna leave these? Is that right?
Now you braid this.
You want me to braid that?
Yeah, and then you leave this.
I love you,
And
Alo.
now braid this.
Okay, wait. Is that what you want? Or just leave it like that? Look at the camera. See? If I braid this, it's gonna be really small. So if you leave it like that, it's perfect. And then, I can do two here, like that. One here like that. Alright.
Tomorrow I want a plant.
A plant?
One.
A plant hairstyle. Okay, we can try that.
So you copy down this plant.
Oh, yeah. That's a good idea. Oh, so it's Daddy that's picking you up today, okay? Because Nani and Papi are away.
Open it.
Baon mo yan.
Open it.
That's your baon for later.
Open it.
You wanna eat it? You wanna eat it now?
Yeah.
Hala si Arlo.
That's a favorite stuff of it. See,
You just had breakfast.
I am a favorite.
Oh my gosh, Arlo. You love eating, don't you, man?
I love you, Mommy.
Oh, I love you back. I love you.
What is this, Mommy?
Oh my gosh, you're so good at eating that. Do you love that so much?
I think that, what's this? I do like this.
Oh, wow. We need to buy more fruit today, Alo. By the looks of it. You love fruit so much?
Is this medicine, Mommy?
It's not medicine.
It is medicine.
It's not medicine, Alo.
It is. It is. Oh, no. Body. There. There.
Good morning! Happy Wednesday, guys! Just doing a little bit of work. Kasi mamaya, we will go out for lunch with Elijah. I need to buy some stuff as well. Bumili ako ng hard drive. 5 terabytes. Grabe na talaga yung mga videos ko ngayon, guys. Yung inedit ko kahapon, 36 gigabytes. 36 gigabytes. Hindi na kaya ng laptop ko. Parang maka-edit lang ako ng 3 videos. Full na agad yung laptop ko. So, I think I need to buy a new laptop. Not I think. I will need to buy a new laptop as well. Kaya lang wala akong masyadong alam sa mga... Wala akong alam sa MacBook. Yung binibili ko lang is kung ano yung latest and dapat Pro. Kasi hindi ko naman ginagamit yung MacBook ko sa ibang paraan. Edit lang talaga. Tapos hindi din ako updated sa mga bagong release. Like may i-release ba na MacBook this year? I don't know. Kasi kung meron... Hintayin ko na lang siguro, no. Kaya lang, parang hindi na makakahintay. Parang ang tagal na nun. Napapabagal kasi yung trabaho kapag ganitong sobrang bilis niya mapuno. Sobrang bilis niya mapuno. Tapos nagdi-delete na naman ako. Mas gusto ko lang ba smooth ang transaksyon, mabilisan. And wala akong time mag-research talaga sa ngayon.
Okay.
I know, it's your cupcake. I'm trying to edit this. So, para ma-delete ko na to. In-edit ko na agad yung thumbnail ng in-edit ko kahapon para ma-delete ko na siya from my editing software para maka-free ako ng memory. So, yan. Nag-order ako kahapon ng 5 terabyte na hard drive. Kasi meron akong 2 terabyte na hard drive. Puno na. So, now, very limited ang galawan kasi nga, hindi ako maka-full-on edit. Na-i-interrupt siya because of the lack of memory. So, I have to keep deleting. Noon kasi, dinidelete ko lang siya kapag na-upload na talaga siya sa YouTube and kapag na-transfer ko na siya sa hard drive. It's currently 8:40 ng umaga. Kakaalis lang ni damage ka ni Ayla. So, asan yung phone ko? Can you hand me my phone, Arlo? It's there. Give it to Mama, please. It's there. Thank you. Sumusunod na siya sa utos. Hindi na niya birthday.
Mommy, I saw Jay this and he's upset.
Oh, you showed Jay?
Yeah.
Did you even see Jay last week? You didn't see him. We were not home when he was here.
Yeah, and he didn't see this and it's my present.
Aw, did you show him your present? Oh, that's
Yeah.
so sweet. Did you tell him that Nana gave you that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet. Did you give him cupcakes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did he like it?
Yeah.
Ah, that's good,
He likes
Arlo.
Coke.
He likes Coke, yeah.
I like Coke too.
Do you?
Me too. I like Spider-Man and I like Coke.
Ah, that's good, Arlo.
That's a dinosaur right there.
Where?
Yeah. T-Rex.
A T-Rex, that's right.
That's funny.
That is very funny.
That's
Oh,
me.
that's you!
I'm Spider-Man doing it.
I know, with the spider.
I'm Spider-Man. I need to Spider-Man doing it.
Love you, Arlo.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you so much. Did you enjoy your party?
Yeah, you bought it.
Oh my gosh, it keeps crashing because I don't have memory. Mommy needs to get a laptop.
Mommy,
Far away.
what happened?
It's just making the work really slow. I don't like it.
I like it too.
Yeah.
It's not working.
It's not working. I know. Look at it. It keeps popping up.
It's not mine working.
Hello.
This is my
Nakapalit
phone.
na ako ng damit. Hinihintay kong
Mommy,
number 2 tong isa.
see?
You wanna see the guys?
Yeah.
Sige.
And guys,
Guys. What do you say to the guys?
we done a map. What we doing?
Where are we going? You tell the guys.
We done a Yaya house.
No, not his house. We're gonna meet him at the mall.
We doing a moon.
Yeah.
Elijah.
Yeah, we're gonna meet Elijah. Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah. We should go early.
Yeah.
Yeah? We're gonna have lunch there. What do you wanna eat?
I only eat rice.
Rice? That's a good idea. You had rice last night.
Yeah.
You wanna eat rice again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dinner.
Dinner? Yeah, you had rice for dinner last night.
And I have a dinner party.
Dinner party?
Yeah.
Show the guys your funny hair. Look, guys. Look at Alo's funny hair, guys. Is that funny?
Yeah.
Look. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. We will keep it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Do you want me to shave your head?
Yeah.
Not yet.
I love you guys.
Oh, he's so loving, isn't he, guys? Aw.
Mommy, I'll put this one.
Nakakailang I love you to sa aming lahat.
I love you guys.
Oh, you're very sweet, boy.
Guys, get this phone.
Yeah.
I the phone. I love you guys.
You love the guys.
Guys, I just bought toys.
Sabi ko kay Kat, 11:30. Nandun na ako. It's only 10:10. And lapit na ako matapos, guys. Meron din kasi ako mga gagawin nga. Gusto ko bumili sapatos ni Ayla.
What you
I
do?
need to pick up my hard
What
drive.
me?
What's Mama gonna wear? Mama wear this earring?
What you want?
This one. Is that nice?
Yeah, yeah, yours.
Oh, thank you, May.
Yeah, yeah, on phone.
I love your phone.
Thank
It's
you.
very nice. What color is that?
This is red.
You got hiccups.
This
No?
is red.
No, it's not red.
It is red.
It's yellow, uy.
It's yeah.
So, ginamit ko yung
It is red.
Glasting Water
It
Tint
is red,
from
Mommy.
Roland.
It is
Yung shade
red.
is Vintage Ocean.
Mommy, this red. It is red.
Yeah, it's red. So, OOTD, simpulan lang. Yung usual na OOTD ko kapag ayokong mag-isip ng susuotin. Just a button down, white top from Zara.
Yeah, Zara.
And jeans from Zara.
Yeah,
Yung
Zara.
sa teens, nakasya na sa akin.
I jump like a monkey.
Okay, jump like a monkey. So, sinuot ko nung weekend yung white, tapos ito suot ko ngayon. Kasya-kasya na siya, guys.
I think like a monkey, Mommy.
Yes.
Like this.
Oh, good jumping like a monkey. Do I have time to put lashes on? Kasi ang aga pa. Can mommy put lashes on? Lapit na maubos yung lashes ko, oh. Ito pa yung I love you, baby. Original, yung nabili natin sa Amazon.
I love you, Mom.
I love you, Alo.
I love you, Mommy.
Tapos ito yung sa Shein, oh.
Mommy.
Si magkapareho sila, guys. Iba lang yung pangalan. This is Amazon, this is Shein. As in, same na same lang talaga. Same from the labeling dito. See, pink din yung kabila. May 9, 10, 11, 12.
Mommy, I thought I had a big slide.
Big slide?
Yeah.
Oh,
a big,
wow.
Big slide and a big spot. Man.
So, yung glue na gamit ko lately na mas naglalast compared dun sa kasama nitong glue
What's this?
is the one from Pro Lash. I got it from Amazon. Kaya lang, nagda-dry na siya, guys. Yeah, nagda-dry na siya. Tapos yung kabila, meron siyang pang-seal. Hindi ako maglalashes kasi baka hindi ko matapos. Pero ang aga pa.
Mommy,
Sobrang aga pa. Lashes ako. Alright, so yung unang gagawin is i-curl yung lashes. Pasensya na guys, meron akong maingay na bata. Yeah, that's my medicine. Thank you. So, after mo siyang i-curl, i-apply mo yung glue. So, I do my best to apply it just sa bottom. But minsan, nakukoat ko talaga yung buong lashes because hindi naman ganun kasi kahaba yung lashes ko. Manipis lang yung lashes ko, guys. Tapos, maikli lang siya. Pero ang importante, malagyan ko yung bottom na part because that's where I stick the false lashes on. So, ganun.
I love you, guys.
No. And then I get my lashes. So what I do is I
I love you,
do...
Mommy.
I love you, Alo. So yung ginagawa ko is 10, 12, 12, 10, 9.
I love you, Mommy.
I also put more glue sa lashes mismo.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Alo. Like that, guys. And then nilalagay ko siya.
I love you, Mom.
I love you, Alo. Arlo, punong-puno na ako ng pagmamahal mo. Ang hirap, sis. Ayan, kayo mag-adjust. So, nilagay ko siya dyan. Nilapat ko lang siya. Actually, I'm gonna do 11 and then 12 kasi marami pa akong 11 na natira. Glue again. And then, ilapat again. So, yung ginagawa ko is ino-overlap ko siya. Hindi ko siya tinatabi lang. Ino-overlap ko siya sa kabilang lashes na nalagay ko na. Ayan. I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm sorry, guys. So, that was 11. Now, I'm gonna do 12. So, pangatlo na to. So, yung 12, magiging sa gitna to siya. Overlap again. And then, I'll do 10 and 9. 9 na to. Ito na yung pinaka-inner part. Tapos, after nyan, i-press ko lang siya very, very lightly. Alright, so hayaan ko muna yan siya dyan. I will do the other side, guys. Kasi sabay ko siyang ikaklamp mamaya. Again, put glue. Oh, shoot. What did I do, guys? I did 10 and then 11, didn't I? Alright, tapusin ko lang to, guys, ha? And then balikan ko kayo.
Mom.
Yes, almost done. Last
I love
one.
you, Mommy.
I I love you, baby. Hello. Very loving boy. So now, nalagay ko na lahat ng lashes. What I do is, before ko siya i-clamp, yung seal na part, nilalagay ko.
Is that dangerous?
Nilalagay ko sa clamp.
Is this dangerous?
Para hindi siya dumikit,
Is that
guys.
dangerous?
Sa clamp. Yeah, this is dangerous, okay? It's sharp. Tapos kinaklamp ko siya.
Why is this dangerous?
Yes. So, dapat i-clamp mo
No.
yung pinakababa, ha?
Is it not
Kasi nandun yung glue, eh.
Is it not dangerous, Mommy?
It is dangerous.
A bit dangerous.
Yeah.
Is
And
that-
then more, like that. Clamp again.
Take it off. They be tough, Mommy.
Oh, thank you, Allah. I love you, Allah.
Yes, dangerous.
It's dangerous. Mommy's being careful, okay?
Okay. Are you joining them?
Finish. That's done. Very quick. Kung hindi ako nag-vlog no, natapos ko yun ng 5 minutes lang.
Mommy, bye.
Bye, Allah. Let's go. I am glad I did it. I don't have to think about it tonight. Tingnan niyo itong daddy natin. Binili niya to for Arlo. Ito. At saka ito. Do you wanna wear this one?
Yeah.
The white one?
Yeah, like Hulk.
Sige, white one ka. Come on. Binili niya kasi sabi niya, suotin ni Arlo nung birthday niya. Kasi kung hindi ko alam kung nakita niyo guys, yung suot ni Dan is superhero din. Kasi nung birthday ni Ayla, diba, yung suot niya Peppa Pig. So, tinatry niya magsuot din ng akma sa theme. So, yun yung suot niya nung birthday party.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Arlo. I love you, Arlo.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Arlo.
I love your hand.
Oh, thank you. I love your hair too.
I love Mommy. It's a funny hair.
Yeah, you have funny hair today.
And I have a funny hair like it.
Yeah.
It's so funny.
Oh my gosh, you're ready already. It's so early. This one's nice. Huh? I love this one.
Look at this otherwise, and this is nice
I love your clothes, Arlo. It's so cute.
too.
Clean up, yeah, clean up, clean up. Put all the toys in the basket. Alright. Tapos na. Clean up, clean up. It's a sun. Ay, hala. Yung ano pala. Party ba?
Mommy, what's this? Mommy,
Yes.
what's this, Mommy? Mommy, what's this?
Yeah, I'm watching. Clean up, clean up. It's a sunny day.
I got that.
This is for Elijah and Ate Veronica. Okay, Alo?
What's mine?
Patay.
Oh,
Patay talaga.
what's mine?
Yeah, I'll give you a bag. Hagoy.
Candy.
Dito yung...
Is that in candy? Is that in candy?
Yeah.
And me?
For you, yes.
I find Mommy.
Okay. Yeah, just wait. Agoy, tamang-tama lang po sa mga bibigyan natin, Arlo.
Find Mommy.
Here. Which one? This one?
Yes.
Okay.
That's,
Ooh.
that's Daddy's.
Yeah, it is daddy's. Don't make a mess, okay?
Yes.
Ang sarap nito, guys. Yung KitKat na Milky Bar. Or siguro gutom na gutom lang ako nun. Kinain ko siya nung nag-winery tayo. Tapos may cookies. Actually, ito na lang yung natirang cookies. 8 na lang yung natira, guys. Kasi pinamimigay namin. Binigyan ko sa Adrian nung weekend. So, 1 Superman. 1 Batman. Alright. Alo, this is for Ate Veronica and Elijah, okay? Okay, we give it to them, okay, Alo? It's not for you. Alam ko na yung mangyayari mamaya.
This mine.
Alright, dalhan na lang kita ng sayo, B. Dalhan kita ng sayo para meron ka din.
Mommy,
Yes!
this mine.
That is yours, yes.
I have more.
Dagdagan ko ng roll up yung sa kanila. Ikaw na talaga ang may party bag na naman. Alright, here.
Rainbow. Is this rainbow?
This is rainbow.
I have a rainbow.
Oh, no.
Oh. This is follow. More than
Gamitin natin yung bag na bigay nila Prissy. Ito pala yung adjustable mini shoulder bag, yung pangalan. And yung kulay niya is bone. Again, meron akong black nito na from La Prissy din. And I really like it. So now we have the white. Ang perfect niya lang kasi pwede siyang shoulder bag like that. Tingnan niyo kung gano'n kaganda. And then pwede mo din siyang i-cross body. Kasi meron siya nung malaki. And removable din pala siya. Yeah, actually i-remove ko to. Lalo na kapag may pram. Oh, thank you. Good cleaning up. Well done. Clean up, clean up. Kasi usually, kung hindi ko siya dala dito, binibitay ko lang siya sa pram. Heavy? Okay, mommy will help. Hmm? I'm strong. Alright. Good job, cleaning up. I'm strong. Mommy's very strong. Alright, perfect timing, India. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Is Indy happy?
Yeah.
That's good.
She said, "What you doing, Mommy?"
Hey, did she say that?
Yeah.
Alright, so punta tayong TTP. Mag-lunch tayo doon kasama si Tita Cathy and Elijah. Hihiramin ko nga yung dress ni Veronica. Kasi Harmony Week nila ni Ayla this week. Hindi naman required. Sabi nila pwede silang magsuot ng kanilang traditional dress. And tinanong ko si Kat, meron siya. Inisip ko kasi what if yung iba magsuot tapos si Ayla naka-uniform lang. Yun talaga lagi ko inisip. Ayoko siyang ma-left out. And buti na lang meron si Cathy. Kasi nalaman ko siya last week lang. Last week, mga end of week pa ata. Yun or midweek. Sabi ko kapag nagpa-ship ako, hindi na talaga aabot. Dito na ako, guys. Tulog yung dalawa kong anak. Isa lang naman yung gusto kong matulog, si Arlo lang. I mean, si Indy lang. Natulog pati si Arlo. Oh my gosh, bakit apaka-busy? Hala, puno yung pram. Saan kami ng idea ng mga mama today? Na mag-lunch kami sa labas. Puno ang pram. Ano na? Are you leaving? Okay, I'll park there. You're not leaving. Of course you're not. You are just fixing your parking. Thank you. Bait naman ni Kuya. Tinuro niya sa akin, sabi niya may park doon. People are very nice. Elijah's here. Elijah, is that you? Elijah, Elijah. 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 Ayaw We're here. Diretso kami sa baba, guys. I-pick up lang natin yung aking hard drive sa JB Hi-Fi. Wait for mama. Sus, madumi pa yung mukha niyan. Kailangan kong i-wipe. Kumain ng Oreos kanina eh. Yung isa dito. Uy! Gising! Agoy! Dito ako sa mga MacBook. Magtanong tayo kung anong mga kaibahan nitong mga to. And nakuha ko na yung aking order. Ayan na. She's still awake. Hey! Here.
What's this, Mommy?
Huh? That's for mommy, okay? That's for mommy's work. Do you want to move it? Hello. Hi. Do you want to move that? Yeah? We have to ask the lady. What are you going to say to the lady? Say, can we please move this one? You need money. Do you have money?
I don't have money.
You don't have money? Uh-oh, what are we gonna do?
I don't have money.
We don't have money. Oh no. Hintayin namin si Kat dito, guys. Nandun daw siya sa Big W Banda eh. Punta din ako dun mamaya eh. Aww. What do you say? Meron na. That's alright. Pangatlo na niya yan. Ang color up niya, binigyan din siya. That's alright. Hindi, okay lang. Saan mo binili? Sa Big W? Punta din ako dun eh. Bili ako sapatos ni Ayla mamaya. Oh wow, color. No, don't open. Tita will change it. You have that already. Mayroon ka ng dalawa niyan. Oh wow. Wala. Yay. Oh, yeah. Hello? Do you wanna... Meron na siya. Uy, here, do you wanna give it to Elijah? Give it to Elijah. Aww. We need to swap it, okay? Because you've got that already. You have two. You have two at home. Yeah. Yung isa, hindi na namin mabalik. Kasi pagtanggap niya, inopen niya agad. So, meron na siyang dalawa niyan sa bahay. We'll swap it later? That is Spider-Man! Ang cute ng dalawa. Holding hands, yarn. Ay, perfect. Dito tayo. There is perfect. Yeah, thank you. Dito tayo. May pram ka din pala. Sige, tabi kayo. No, Elijah daw. Aww. Dito kami sa Warung. Ito yung lagi namin pinupuntahan noon sa city. Meron na dito sa TTP. We can't open Spider-Man because we need to swap it, okay? Can you play with something else? Yeah. We will swap it after lunch. You want Spider-Man? Dito na si Inday. Oh. Nasi goreng? What do you want, Alo? Rice? Spider-Man talaga yung gusto niya.
But we're gonna swap it. I didn't know you thought.
Masarap din yung chicken nila dito, diba? Kaya lang nag-chicken kami kagabi. Yeah. It's not fair. Why? Why not fair? Nasi goreng tayo, na-miss ko yung nasi goreng.
Baba, you want some? Oh, that's all?
You like this song? Oh, hindi mo yan alam.
Mama, I want Spider-Man.
Bagong kanta ba yan, Day?
Hindi, ano na, lumang-lumang yan, guys.
Kaya nga, parang nakita ko na luma na siya. Yeah. Dinosaur! Good sharing, Alo. That's yours. Oh no! Oh no! You ate the head too! Silly kid! Cheers! Ay, ang ganda ng gupit ni Dodo. Magpa-barber ka din? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Dito na, kakamiss, oh. Nasi goreng. As in, ito talaga lagi namin na-order noon. Alo, rice, alo. Try? Sabi niya, ano ba yung kulay? May jelly. Jelly? It's yummy. It's okay, it's yummy. It's yummy. Good. Paka-arte pa naman ito. Okay, no more. Alright, this one. Rice. Ang yung jelly talaga. Dito kami Big W. Tulog si Indy. Ang perfect. Bili tayo sapatos ni ate. Papalitan ni Inday yung binili niya. Binilhan niya ng Spider-Man si Arlo. Ayan, mga naka-clearance na mga damit, oh. Hala, isang $1 na lang, Day. Ay, ang cute naman nito, oy. Tingnan nyo. May napili siya? What do you have? Yeah, get out, Alo. Choose. Do you want a mask, Alo? What's that? Monster. Meron na siyang Captain America. Ito, wala siya nito. Kaya lang kilala niya ba to? Alo? Do you want this one? Who's that?
Trash.
Trash ka dyan.
Hulk smash.
Hulk smash. Do you want that?
A Batman box.
That's too big, mate. Punta tayo sa shoes. Bilhan natin si... Yeah, Tita Kathy is getting it swapped. She's gonna swap it. Hanapin natin yung... Hala, may mga Spider-Man. Follow me. Ate's shoes. We look for Ate's shoes. Look at that. Spider-Man. That's cool.
I'll buy this.
Huh? No, put it back, put it back. Dito na kami sa shoes. Hindi ko na nakikita yung same ng kayang Ayla. Nagla-light up ba to?
That's
I
zombie.
think it lights up.
That's a zombie. That's a zombie. That's a zombie, Mommy.
No, it doesn't light up. Zombie, yeah.
Oh,
Ate
that's
needs
zombie
11.
too. Oh, sponsor.
Mabigat yan yung kanya. Magaan lang. Let's go on the other side.
This
Very close. Not that one.
this one.
The sparkling one. Where is it? Can you see?
And this.
No.
And this.
Oh, that's Indies. Oh my
And
god.
this.
That's Ate Ayla's. But we need 11. Or size 11. Ayun. Gustong-gusto niya to. Kaya lang masikip. Masikip na yung 10. So 11 na talaga si ate. Asan na naman yung 11 boy? Hala, walang 11. Arlo. Stay here. Patay Arlo, walang 11. Where is Arlo? Grabe naman magtago. Nagtago. Kitang-kita ka, boy. You okay? Ang cute nilang dalawa. Alright, let's go to the girls section, Alo. Elijah, come out. Nagtataguan. Tagu-taguan yung dalawa. Alright, come on. Come here, Alo, so he follows you. Elijah, where are you? Elijah? Uwi na kami, guys. Oh my gosh, apakainit. Grabe. Grabing init doon. To think na autumn na ngayon. Sobrang init pa din ng panahon. Oh, thank God talaga for AC. Ay, naku, can you imagine kung walang AC? Sakit-sakit ng init. Kawawa yung mga bata. Here, I've got scissors. Thank you. Thank you. Maka-good job ka talaga. You're welcome, baby.
And Daddy's upstairs.
What?
Daddy upstairs.
Daddy loves it, really?
You open Spider-Man.
Alright. You ready for this?
Yeah.
You gotta wear it. Which side?
Boy here. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you... Alright. Here? Here? Where do you want to wear it? This side?
Yeah.
Okay. Now put your hand there. This side. I think this side. Put it this side. And then, I'll teach you. I think it's that way. And then you do it like this. And then release. Try. Don't shoot the guys. Here. And then release. Like, I'll show you. Like that.
Also,
You want to try?
I tried. Yeah, I excited.
You're excited. Don't shoot the guys, huh? Is that cool?
Yeah. Let's go there.
What do you say to Elijah and Tita Cathy?
Thank you.
And Tito Neil and Ate Veronica?
Thank you, Uncle Water.
Oh, well done! That's good.
You help me?
Yeah.
I didn't help myself. Daddy,
Oh my gosh, you're gonna hit the guys. Naka-shopping ako, guys. Mga pang-bata. Naka-sale na kasi yung mga pang-summer. Ito din yung kinain ko kanina. Konti lang yung kinakain ko kasi. Ang dami nun. So, pang-dinner ko na actually, bukas na yan. Kasi ayokong mag-rice sa dinner. From Big W, 3 na lang. Machi-machi ata sila ni Elijah. Parang bumili din si Kat para kay Elijah. Regalo nila kay Arlo. Mga snack ni Arlo. Sapatos ni ate. Ito yung binili ko, guys. Kasi yung isa wala nang size 11. Kunin ko lang si Indy. So, ito yung binili ko. Ang laki ng paa ni Ayla. Size 11. Magugustuhan niya to. Sparkly pa din naman. Tas purple.
Hey, get coffee. What's your best friend, Mommy?
Who's my best friend?
Tonight?
Tita Manay? Daddy? Daddy is my best friend? Yeah. Who's yours? Who's your best friend?
My husband is Elijah.
Elijah. Tapos more present. Drawing book. Drawing book ba to? Color and sticker. Ay, maganda to. Dalhin sa Bali. And then pajamas for Arlo boy. Ang cute. Thank you, tita. Salamat, Inday. Ayan, perfect yan. So, yun yung Big W. Tapos, nagpunta kami ng Target. Ala! Binili ko to kay Arlo. Paano naman to tatanggalin? Binili ko siya kasi Lakers. Ang cute. Tapos $9 na lang siya. From 15. Hala, paano natin to tatanggalin? Hindi ko yan napansin kanina. Wala ding tumunog eh. So mga kay Arlo to guys. Pangbali niya. Kailangan kong bilhan si Ayla. Kaya lang wala akong nakita doon para kay Ayla at saka para kay Indy eh. So ito ang cute oh. Naka-sale na to. $10 from 20. Tapos ito yung pang-partner na shorts. O diba ang bongga? Ang ganda ng kakulayan niya dito, diba? And then ito, $2 na lang. Meron pala si Ayla. Yan, mga footwear yung kay ate pala today. $2 na lang kasi to. And size 11 siya sa sapatos. Pero sabi ko siguro naman sa tsinelas hindi 11. Parang ang laki talaga ng 11, guys. Sabi ko, laki ng paano Inday. So kinuha ko size 10 na tsinelas. Tapos ito din. But ang cute niya lang. Oh. Gabi na guys, mag-aalas 8 na. Hindi na ako naka-vlog kasi ginamit ko yung memory card. And nagamit ko na yung ating biniling hard drive. It works. Stressful pa siya nung una kasi hindi siya nag-work agad-agad. Sabi ko, sus, kung ito sira, ako na talagang babalik na naman dun para palitan. But I looked it up. Meron ako mga ginawang mga troubleshoot and it worked. So, na-transfer ko na yung mga bagay-bagay. Kasi sobrang inconvenience talaga ng mga ganito. Kasi, yun sana, kung may enough memory lang ako, inedit ko na yung mga time na yun. Siguro may natapos na ako or malapit matapos na ma-edit. But that's okay. We'll go back editing tomorrow. Tomorrow na lang. Tapos na kami maligo. Matutulog na kami maya-maya lang. Mga 8 something, pinapatulog ko na yun si Ayla. Kasi natutulog yan siya kapag may klase siya kinabukasan. Dapat tulog na siya, wala pang 9. Are you ready to go to bed? What? Say goodbye to the guys. See you next time.
See you next time, maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. I'm not sure if I'll vlog tomorrow or I'll just work. I have a lot of work to do. Thank you guys for watching. Be good. Bye.